In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily start growing potatoes in a 5-gallon bucket. Here's some peat moss that will help you if you have soil that has a lot of clay. You mix the peat moss and topsoil in a container or a wheelbarrow. Then you get your 5-gallon food grade bucket. It's good to have a drill or a hand pick, which I have here, and just press into the bucket and make some holes. You need these holes for the drainage of the water, otherwise potato parts that it will show you next will rot. So this is pretty simple, just make a good number of holes. Next I'm going to show you the potatoes that have ears and eyes that you have to cut up into pieces the night before, and then you let them heal and grow a scab. So you pick, say, 2 or 3 pieces of these potatoes that have the ears, and you put them on top of about 4 inches of soil with the peat moss. So each bucket gets around 3 to 4 pieces of the sliced up potatoes with the ears. Then after you put them in, you cover them with another 4 inches of soil. And the next step, we're going to wait until we get some growth, and I'll show you what to do next. Thank you very much.